Hello YouTube. Today I'm showing the Transformers Robots in Disguise One Step Changer Decepticon Fracture. Here he is. He's a purple motorcycle. Say wheel here. Oops. Hold on. Okay. So it has the Decepticon symbol. You can scan it to get into the Transformers Robots in Disguise game, which is free. To transform this, hold onto the seat and pull his little whatever up. So just hang onto this and then just lift it up and push until it reaches to here. Then he will spring to this. He's really cool. To transform him back, you will pull this down and hang onto the seat right here. Then it's back into this. And heels kind of good. He also has another wheel there. He's cool. The arms move all the way up, just like this. And then to transform it, well, I just showed that, so that doesn't really matter. It does not matter. It's really cool. You can also have it halfway transformed and roll them around. I sit down on my wheel booty. Da ba da ba ba.